After helping hundreds of families either sell, buy, invest, or remodel, what we've learned has shaped the business and our customer experience standards we've developed for how we serve you. So here are our 3 promises to our home sellers. Number 1, we promise to do everything in our power and experience to get you the highest net proceeds possible by committing to doing the following. A, actively studying the local housing market like a housing economist. B, our property preparation consultation. C, continually studying real estate marketing, the art and science of it, and operating at the cutting edge of technology. And D, never-ending study of the art and science of negotiation. Now our second promise to you is this. We promise to do everything in our power and experience to reduce stress, eliminate hassles, and enhance our client experience by, again, doing the following. A, following checklists and our standard operating procedures. B, providing weekly seller reports. C, maintaining a strong broker team. And D, providing you with our best supporting home service referrals. Lastly, our third promise is this. We promise to do everything in our power to control all the timelines and terms to make sure that you have the best experience possible by doing the following. A, providing honesty even when it's uncomfortable. B, paying strong attention to detail to your desired timeframes. And finally, C, offering a technical review of all the contractual obligations and terms of the Colorado contract to buy and sell real estate.